What's up, guys? It's your boy FrogKing7 back with a video. Today I'm working on the farm with my dad. If you guys like this, make sure to like it. If you want me to do more content like this, like farm work and stuff, my dad has a YouTube channel, Lead Farms, link in the description. And enjoy.
Perfect. I think we ran this pivot far enough out of these males so we can chop this tomorrow. And the pivot's still roughly in line. Pretty good. Hang on for the bump.
Alright, about to raid the snacks. Here we go, straight to the snacks. Oh yeah, we got some off-brand cookies. Yeah, what else do we got here? Ooh, got that. Juice boxes. Then we got in the fridge. We got some stuff. And other stuff. Ooh, yum. And I just need for the cookies. This looks like about everything. So what are you doing here, Dad?
I am taking this, give me the 9/16 on that. Taking this off.
This is a 9/16 tone.
Good. Seven 16ths, please.
Ready, good? Here's a 9 right here.
Go out there, jack the tire up, jack the system up, take the tire off.
Yes.
Take the tire off.
And then replace the gearbox?
Yes, take the gearbox off. And there should be 4, maybe 5 bolts on the back side.
Too much. So you're just taking the bolt off?
That's good, that's good.
Oh, you're putting the bolt on. Got it.
Yeah. It just kind of helps seal everything up, and then we'll run this drive. See, that cap was on here, keeping it clean and everything. So
Okay.
we will run it on this side. We'll
Okay.
check the oil. Actually, next year it's gonna be good. I'm gonna go get one of these. I'll be right back.
Alright, we'll stay here.
Actually, you can bring all that. Make sure the gearbox doesn't fall off. Bring all that.
So Adam, you up to some shenanigans?
Not too much, no.
Stand back.
Alright, watch out, Dave.
Yeah. Great work, everybody. Keep it up.
7/16.
So basically what we're doing
No, that's right.
is taking all the stuff
Put these in there
on
where they belong.
the racket, put it on the square, so then we'll move the pivot and replace the gearbox. Let's zoom in on Adam. Whoa. It's windy up here. I'm just playing.
Okay. Back it up. Take the tire off.
Ready to go, Dad?
Yeah, I kind of think we need a crowbar.
We have a crowbar?
Yeah.
I know we had a crowbar. Adam!
Yo.
Do a flip! Nice. Nems.
Probably helps.
So now we're inside of a spare cab, which got me, the filmer, and my dad as the worker.
Hello.
So this is the inside of a tractor cab. It's pretty good. You got the monitor.
My
got
drive stick.
controls.
Rearview mirror, and you can see the boys behind us in the Ranger.
Let me zoom in. Yeah.
I'd like you to put your seatbelt on, if you would.
Okay. Got a bunch of switches. We got steering wheel, controls. Yeah.
And why are we using this tractor, David?
I don't know.
Because the clearance is high. We can drive in the corn without breaking it.
Smart.
And we can bring heavy things like that gearbox. It would be very difficult to carry it in to the middle of a cornfield.
Yes, it would.
And we could use a four-wheeler to carry it in, but that would run over the crop. So this machine works really well.
Yeah.
Looks like rain, doesn't it?
It does look like rain. It might rain tonight. Let's hope it does. See, now, since we are in the sprayer, we are driving on top of it. We can barely make it.
Yeah, that
Whoa!
was clear than me.
967,000 yours.
Whoa.
Nothing much.
How's the farm life?
It's good. It's good.
That's good. Yeah, this is fun. Okay, so now we are at the pivot. Got to get it fixed and stuff. So yeah, ready, Dad?
Yeah, we'll throw a lot of this stuff down. We don't have to carry it.
Yeah. I will
Except for like
attempt.
this and this.
I'm trying to get down.
Gearbox, I'll drop right there. You can film this, David, because it's super heavy.
Oh yeah, okay, hold on.
Right, let's
Let me
yeah,
get
get
down
down there and get set up. You guys can get down there.
Okay, is this muddy? Okay, no, it's not muddy. Now, what we're gonna do is just make our way to. Yeah, coming down.
I'm gonna lift Jack.
Ready? Ha! Got it.
Let's see here. I will. All right, this is the big one. This is the gearbox.
Make sure you don't hit
Yeah,
the jack.
stand back. Go over there by David.
Okay, hold on, Dad.
Jack goes by Adam. Adam put the board on the block on the ground right
Okay,
there.
so what we're gonna do
Front of you.
is throwing the big thing
How
down
much do you
there.
think this weighs?
200 pounds. Got this,
up.
Dad. Ooh, that was fun. Great job, Dad. Then I just gotta throw the rest of the stuff down. Or yeah. There, Dad.
Alright, put the board right next to it.
Oh, Dad, should I not be on the tire?
Right here.
You'll have to move in a bit.
Yep, got it.
Part.
So now we can box off the tire. So then we can jack it up and replace the box.
Can you just hold those or whatever? It actually already is jacked up. Okay, everybody
Oh, it is.
stand
Oh, I
clear.
missed
Just be
that.
ready. Tire's coming off.
Okay,
Look out. You drop one. You put it down.
ready. I'll move, Dad. Big tire.
Just be ready for this thing to drop at any point.
Oh, that's
So,
okay. That's true.
Stay clear and stand back.
That would not
Stand
be
back,
good.
Ethan. I will.
What are you taking off now, Dad?
This PTO guard cover. Slide back. And then we're going to put a new style knuckle on here. So let me take this off. You have that gun, Ethan? Yep. Is it 7/16? Oh no, sorry. Oh yeah, this was 7/16.
Sorry if I'm shaking the camera too much.
One drop, sir.
Yeah, I wouldn't worry about it. That up on the sprayer. Oh, okay, that thing did.
So that's loose.
Yeah, so, and it's tight at the same time, so this will not spin. It's just, oh yeah, this is really bad.
So do we want them to be both loose or both tight?
Yeah, they're supposed to be really tight. So you turn this easy, and then this goes around slow. So we're gonna take this gearbox off. You have a hammer, you think? Go up, get the 3 pound, please.
I'm right here. I can grab it.
Oh, stand back away. Put that up on the sprayer because we don't need it anymore. And then hold this.
New angle.
Hammer. 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 Yeah, you're hammered already.
Hey, hammer.
That's a funny scene in Thor
Throw both these up
1.
there. Throw those butts up to
Funny
Adam.
references.
Um,
Here, Ethan, I can get it.
all right.
Hold on. Okay, got it. So now we have these 2 pieces.
Give me the 3/4 wrench up
Okay.
there.
Good, good, good.
I think
Adam, what are you doing?
Yes.
Okay, good job.
Oh. That kind of looks like it broke out. All right, it's coming down. Are we back? Filming?
Yep, filming. Woo!
Where?
I think there's one bolt still in it.
Here it is. Here, right here, Ethan. Yeah, it is on the bottom. It kind of helps hold it. So,
Okay, that's good.
all right.
Dad, do you want me to like just zoom in and then zoom out and stuff?
You can do whatever. Just film most. Watch your head on this, Ethan. You can
Oh
stand
yeah.
back with those.
I've
I'll
hit
bring
my
that
head on
gearbox
that
in.
3 times.
All right. Heavy.
Yeah, really.
All right.
So then we're gonna replace it with the new one.
Yep. And what we'll do here, the new one should have 1 bolt on the bottom. Well, new, old one.
Okay.
Spare I had. We will and put the get it set up here. So pretty much that. We'll hang it on this bolt right here. We're gonna have plenty of bolts. I brought extra. So yep. Gun. Just always be careful and safe. Just plan on this like sliding this way, that way. If anything happens, drop everything. Just get out of the way. Okay. Okay. Right in that.
Yep. Top right for you.
Yep.
There we go. Got it.
You got it on?
I think so, yeah.
All right. Hang tight.
Whoa!
Just rip through.
I need some WD. Let me up.
I don't think we have that here, Dad.
Gun.
They're both
Big
up
gun.
here.
Oh, I got it. So it's a stud. I want to put it on the bottom. So as you tighten it, here you go. It should go in, but you want this in most of the way. As it tightens it, it should be good. There we go. Alright. Alright, take two. It's fine. It's all one take. It doesn't really matter. Keep in mind, just watch this. The stuff comes down. Be ready to bounce.
Because we can lose stuff. We can't lose you.
That's right. All this stuff is replaceable. Alright. I go on a little bit better.
A lot better.
Alright. You good? I'm going to hang it here.
Good.
Good?
Good.
Alright. Here you go.
There we go. Nope. I didn't.
Which way?
Let me pull this thing up.
I'll get it, Ethan.
Just
Hold that out of my...
here, I'll lift it.
Got it?
Got it.
There you go. You're good. Okay. Next one, that shit. Oh wait, we gotta do this. Gun.
Small or big? We have two guns.
Make it tight. Hey Ethan.
You okay, Ethan? Yeah.
Since you've been feeling funny, I'll drive the Ranger around.
Can you please tell me what happened?
I don't know.
That's on.
Just my knee started.
I think we
feeling
put the
funny.
tire on, we Gucci.
Huh.
Not a little too close. I'm gonna move this. That gearbox is a little light, probably out of oil.
What we are doing now is we're attempting to put the tire back on the thing we fixed. So that is what he's doing. Sorry, it is dark. It is getting late. We are just trying to finish this up.
Might actually lower this down a click or two.
That looks about good. You can't really see it on the camera, but... Oh, there we go.
Oh my goodness, we're so close. And this is why you bring a crowbar.
You never know when you can use a crowbar. It's crowbar time. Yeah.
Oh, baby. It's closed.
Let me help me.
Let me try one more time here. Oh!
Nice. Great job, Dad.
Now, nuts. What we do here is really we just get the top nut in. Where's that gun? It's close by. Does it have the right socket in? Oh, baby. All right. A little bit safer now.
So now all you have to do is put the bolts in, then we're done.
Yep. Put the nuts on.
It's pretty easy.
And I think we're done. You guys want to try to run it tonight? Could you hand me those nuts? Dress those
Go
nuts
home
out.
and eat some waffles.
Oh, I get them. I moved them all over here.
Oh.
Oh, sorry about that.
And with that, my first farm video has ended. Thank you so much for watching. Like, share, subscribe, turn notifications for whenever I upload. That could be a day from now. So whenever, make sure to turn on the notifications. If you don't know how, subscribe. It's the bell. So yeah, thank you so much for watching and goodbye. Bye.